Hey everyone, this is Couponing with D. I am back with another video. I am inside of CVS. Please excuse the loud music. I will be doing 3 transactions, and my first one will be on the ladies feed stick. It is 2 for $6 this week. Buy 2 get 2 extra bucks, limit of 1. And I am pairing that up with 50 cents off 1 from speedstick.com. My next deal is going to be on this. It's already in my buggy. It is the men's deodorant. It is buy 1 get 1 half off this week. No extra bucks at $6.99. Then I will be using these dollar off 1 coupons that were emailed to me, and I will also be using this 3 off of 15 deodorant CR2. Here are my 4 deodorants. This is my second deal of the night. I will be buying the Ibotta Kotex this week. They are $7.49 a piece. You buy 1, you get $2. I will be picking up 2. I will be using 50 cents off 1 coupons and a 5 off 15 Ibotta Kotex. I will be pairing this up with a Fetch and Ibotta deal. All right, family, this is my last and third transaction. Viva is on sale this week for $9.99. No extra bucks, but I will be pairing it off with this 3 off 10 Kleenex, Scott Cottonelle, or Viva products. And then I will submit it to Fetch for 1,000 points.